Imagine agreeing to buy shares in a hotel, but months pass before you hear back. By then, the market has shifted, and you have moved on. Are you still bound? That is exactly what happened in the 1866 case of Ramsgate Victoria Hotel Company versus Montefiore, and the court's decision still echoes in contract law today. Background story. In the summer of 1864, the Ramsgate Victoria Hotel Company was raising capital to build a luxurious seaside hotel. Montefiore, a wealthy businessman, applied in June to purchase shares. The hotel company accepted his application, but not right away. Instead of an immediate response, months dragged on. The company's directors did not formally allot him the shares until November, 5 months later. By that time, the economic climate had changed. The investment looked far less attractive, and Montefiore was no longer interested. When the company demanded that he pay for the shares, Montefiore refused. The matter ended up in court, where the key question was Montefiore's application to buy shares still a valid offer after all that time? IRAC method case breakdown. Issue. Did the delay between Montefiore's offer and the company's acceptance mean that the offer had lapsed, making the acceptance invalid? Rule. In contract law, an offer must be accepted within a reasonable time, otherwise it lapses. What counts as reasonable depends on the nature of the contract, the subject matter, and the circumstances. For perishable goods, the time frame may be hours or days. For shares or investments, it might be weeks but not indefinitely. Application. Montefiore made his offer in June 1864. The hotel company only responded in November, 5 months later. Nature of the transaction. Buying shares is time-sensitive and affected by market conditions. Investors' expectation: an allotment should be made promptly, so the investor can assess the deal's fairness at that moment. Company's delay. The court found no justification for waiting that long, especially given that the investment climate could change dramatically. By November, Montefiore was entitled to treat his offer as expired. Without a live offer, there could be no valid acceptance. Conclusion. The court held that the offer had lapsed after a reasonable time had passed well before November. Therefore, there was no binding contract, and Montefiore was not obliged to take up the shares. This case became a cornerstone in offer and acceptance law, reinforcing the principle that time matters in contract formation. Even without a set deadline, offers will not last forever. It is a reminder: if you want to lock in a deal, act quickly or risk losing it. From a modern perspective, the decision makes sense. Financial markets move fast, and a delay of months can completely change the risk and reward. Montefiore walked away without liability, but the hotel company's slow action cost them an investor and possibly the momentum of their project. If you found this breakdown helpful, press the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you do not miss our next deep dive into essential law cases. And if you are revising for exams, check out our playlist of IRAC case studies. You will thank yourself later.